What is up guys? Thanks for all your love to last episode. Must watch this video till the end. आप शॉक हो जाओगे कि इंडिया इतना ज़्यादा beautiful है. It's amazing.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
This is so amazing. Oh my god. ये देखो. So after 4 to 5 hours of journey, after crossing so many beautiful landscape, we have reached at this place. And this is the road जो अभी आपने ऊपर से देखा. Straight road है दोनों तरफ. बहुत बड़ी valley है. So guys, let's do another adventure which is ATV ride. Let's go.
Little by little you wear me down.
So guys, this is so much fun. यार जरूर करना अगर आप लद्दाख में आते हो तो ATV राइड.
Little by little you wear me down.
Little by little you wear me.
I'm just so amazed to see this, man. I'm so lucky that I'm here, and I suggest you guys to do this trip. So right now we're on the way to Nubra. So guys, we are at sand dunes. और वहाँ पे camel ride हो रही है जो यहाँ के डबल हम्प वाले camel होते हैं.
You wear me down.
Wow. So guys,
My actions
with this
won't
being
be
said,
forgiven.
please putting like 3, 2, and 1. Enjoy the shots.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way.
What is up YouTube? My name is Shakti and you're watching Traveling Mondays. Welcome back to the channel and I'm so much happy to see you smiling today. So today I am in Nubra Valley, which is in Ladakh. This is my day 4 in Ladakh. First day we relaxed, second day we explored Leh town, third day we came to Nubra Valley and today we are going to Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake बहुत ही beautiful lake है. वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है और बहुत crystal clear water lake है. तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है और यहाँ से 6 घंटे की जर्नी लगेगी Nubra Valley से वहाँ जाने के लिए. जल्दी से मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ and start this thing going. Let's go. This is the property over here. Cottages हैं, tents हैं. This is the camping site over here. And that's the dining area. Wow. Let's go and start for Pangong Lake. Pretty excited. Stay tuned. Leaving. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, we have reached at Diskit monastery. This is really beautiful. और पीछे आप देख सकते हो, that is a part of a monastery. There is a monastery called Tiger Nest, which is in Nepal, which is in my bucket list. And this is also looking the same. It looks really beautiful. It's stuck in the middle. So I'm going to take a time lapse over here. Enjoy the time lapse. I hope you enjoyed this time lapse. Now we are heading to Pangong Lake. Pangong कब पहुँचेंगे?
Pangong depend upon our lunch time.
So how much time from here till Pangong?
If we go continuous,
Yes.
then it takes maybe around 2.5 hours.
अच्छा, not very much far.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going? बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है यहाँ पर. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe वाला बटन है उसे पक्का से दबा देना. एकदम पक्का से. Comment भी करना. The more you subscribe, the more I travel. The more I travel, the more you travel. So, damn, do that.